Hi everyone, my name is David. I'm going to present my new QuickChat 2.0 lectures today, and I'm going to demonstrate the final version of our application when we are going to finish together. You are going to have a ready chat application which is almost 80 to 85% close to WhatsApp. So let's switch to our iPhone here. And on the right side I have my iPhone device set up, and on the left side I have a simulator. So on iPhone I'm going to launch the application, and this is our login view, and let's launch our application on the simulator as well. On the simulator the user is already logged in. So let's go ahead and log in our application on the device. I'm going to use the Facebook login. And this will get into our application. As you can see, we have here our recents. And right now I have chats with 3 people, and one of them is a group chat actually. So we see the name of the person or the group we are chatting. Also, we see the last message from the person or from the group. We have the date of last message, and in case if we have unread messages, we have a notification here that we have a new message. Then at the bottom here we have a group where we can create and see our groups. So as you can see, I have only one group right now which has 2 members. If I click on a plus button here, I'm going to get a new screen where I can add another group. So here I'm putting a group name, and then I'm choosing the people which are actually from my friend list who are going to be in the group. And once I finish, I click done, and there will be a new group. If we click on the group, it will take us to the group where we have the group name, and below will be all the members in this group. Also, we can have an option button here where we can rename our group, or we can add new members to our group. And finally, if we click on the group, it will take us to the chat message. As you have noticed, there is a call button right on the right top corner, and you are right, we are supporting the call function as well on our new chat. Then we have friends. Here I have the list of 2 friends. We are able to also search. So if I'm looking for user 2, I can just type and I can see the result of my search. Also, we can click on the plus button and we will get the list of all our users registered in our application, where we can just tap on any user and this user will become our friend. As you can see now, the user 3 is also our friend. So the next stop is our settings application. Here on top we have our avatar cell, where by clicking I'm going to profile view. Currently this user doesn't have an avatar image, so this is a placeholder, and also we have the name of the user. Then we have privacy policy, terms of service. I haven't put any text there because this is up to you what you want to put depending on your application. We also have backgrounds in this version where we can change the background color depending on what we like. So we have 3 bars here: RGB, red, green, and blue, and the square at the bottom shows the color of our background depending on the colors we choose. So in case if I say save here, and let's go and open one of our chats, and as you can see the background is now kind of cyan. So let's go back and put it to white, and in our chat now we can see that the background is white. So here we can see a sample of each type of message we can send. We can see the timestamp here on top, which says yesterday 10:54 was the message. We have a text message. We have location message. If we tap on location message, this will open it separately. Then we have a picture message. Again, by tapping on picture message, we get it open separately. We can zoom in, zoom out, share it, or we can just scroll it up, or we can scroll it down and it will disappear. Also, you can see we have an audio message here. By tapping it, this will open my audio message, and this is going to play the current message that we sent. And down below we have our video message. So by tapping on our video message, this will start playing our video. Alright, this was it, and of course we support the text messages. And by tapping on our accessory button here, we have options of taking a camera, where we have option of let's give access to our camera. We will have an option to use our photo or video, and this we can let's take a picture and let's send this picture to our new user. As you can see on our screen, straight away on our simulator here, we have received a message which says that we have one new message, and it's showing us that it's a picture message. So let's click on it, and now we can see our picture that we took. We can reply back, we can display our avatars here. If you have noticed, in our settings we have a switch that shows or doesn't show our avatar, so let's switch it off. Let's go back to our chat messages, and as you can see on the left side where I have disabled our avatars, we don't see the avatar icons, but on the right side we can clearly see our avatars. Also, let's test our call function. So if I tap on the user here to call, it says that we are calling David, and I can hang up here, and on my device I can hang up or I can answer the call. So let's answer the call, and you can see that the timer goes here. It shows the duration of our call, and if I hang up here on my device, the call finishes, and our user that was calling is also notified, and it removes the call screen. Of course, we can delete our chats. Also, we can delete our groups. When we try to delete our group, we are shown a warning here that by deleting the group, it will delete all the messages of the group. So in case if we want to delete it, it will delete the messages as well. And for example, on my device here, I have a group chat. Let's say if I want to delete my group chat from here, that I am part of a chat, I have a notification here telling me if I would like to receive a notification for this group. So we have two options: we permanently delete and come out from the group, or we just delete current recent, and once there are new chats we will be notified. So I'm going to say yes, I want to be notified, and this will keep our user in the group chat. So every time some user in the group send a group message, we are going to get information about this. Here we can see other users as well in our profile view. Also, of course, we support notifications. So let's say I go out from my application and then another user sends me a message. So let's send a message. And here I'm getting my notification, and as you can see, we have two on top. The reason we have two is because, as you can see, when we open our application, we have two unread messages. So let's read this one, and then let's read the other one. Right now we have no new notifications. So if I send another message, I'm going to have a notification of 1. If you are an old student of mine, you remember that before we couldn't support the auto increment of our icon for new notifications, but right now everything is working fine. We can increment our notifications depending how many notifications we have. So if we open the notification bar here on top, we can go to our message, and once we read our text, the new message icon from our recents disappear. And if we can go back, we will see that the number on our icon is disappeared as well. So this is the ready application. If you are interested in it, if you want to start learning this chat application, take a second, subscribe to my class, and I promise you we are going to have a great time together. It's going to be fun developing this chat application, and I hope you are going to really get new information out of it and you are going to enjoy it. So if you are ready, subscribe and we can start our chat application together.